Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Google Drive. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you select a particular file that you would like to make available for offline. So like for instance, this particular file right here, I want to make it available for offline. And for that, what we want to do is to click on these three dots right here. And go ahead and make sure you click on make available offline. So click on that. File will be made available offline. Now, how can you locate the offline of that particular file? For that, first thing first, click on this three slider from the top corner right here. Then go ahead and click on offline right here. Then you have all the offline file right here. So for you to edit or any adjustment to the file, if there is no internet, let's for instance, if I swipe down right here and I turn off my mobile data and I want to have access back to the file, I will simply go ahead and click on here to open the file. And the file will be open right here, all in offline section. It's that simple. If it is a picture, go ahead and click on it and it will load up right here without internet. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Google Drive, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video.